Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be working on this Mojave Exb today. We have a Max 6 to put in there, a 4985 1650 kV motor from Hobbywing to go with that ESC. Just putting in a cheap Amazon servo for now, and then for the radio, wherever that may be, right here, there's a 6-channel FlySky receiver there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this top off, size things around, and see what we can fit. Okay, so for the wires out of the motor, we are going to go straight across. That does affect me adjusting my gear mesh, but I think we'll be okay. I just don't want to have to extend these wires. Might have to if we have an issue with them pulling out, but I think the only way for me to comfortably get this C wire over here, we'll see how that looks once it's all in. I'm going to go ahead and get the motor mount attached to the motor and get that in there. Alright, there we have it. There is the ESC in and the motor. It's pretty tight fit. Man, getting these bullets in there were pretty rough for some reason. I got my gear mesh set. I have a 21 tooth pinion in there. Still new at set in mesh, so hopefully that's perfect. We just need to now mount this switch. I'm going to get the receiver in there as well, and then drop that servo down. It's coming along pretty good. Did take a while for this. Majority just trying to get it perfect to where I had enough to plug C in. I did have to pull this side piece off to get that motor to slide in to have enough room, as well as I did remove the plate that this ESC sits on, but we are good. I did use a different type of tape. I used this 30-pound 3M tape. It's Scotch 3M. You can get it at Home Depot. That was 20 bucks. You can get a shorter roll for, I believe, 10 bucks or 7 bucks. But let's go ahead and get that receiver in and get this switch mounted. It's all done. Receiver case is on. We have a servo in there. I just finished setting my endpoint adjustments on my transmitter. Everything's in. I'm gonna go give it a test run before it rains, but that is it. Gonna get the body on and get that out there. Expect a video out soon, maybe of me driving it. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see it. Do a speed run on it. Just got a new GPS, so I can see how this thing's doing. Go ahead and subscribe for all my future videos coming out. I got a lot of projects going on. I have some things I want to do with this still, and then we just have so many more projects around. But stay tuned, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.